Hi, family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So, fam, today I'm going to be showing you how we make Cameroonian Eru. Just sit down, relax, because it's going to be a long recipe, like very detailed. I didn't want to fast forward anything. I just wanted you guys to take time and see how I add everything and how I do it. Guys, I'm under the weather. My voice is not very good, but then I just said I should say a little thing, and then the video is just going to keep playing. So, just watch it. If you have any questions, I'm here in the comment section. And guys, don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and why not drop a comment below? I'll be waiting for your comments and I'll be ready to respond. I just want to say that this video got me very excited because I was actually making Eru with fresh water leaf, fresh Eru. Everything was just fresh. Kanda and everything straight from Cameroon. Like, I was super excited because it feels good to eat Eru that really tastes like home Eru. Most of the time, the dried Eru doesn't really give it. But this was just perfect. So far, at this point, I was adding a little bit of palm oil just so that our arrow doesn't get too brown, just so that it maintains its color. And then we're going to put the rest of the oil later on in the video. Hey fam, so you realize that there are some ingredients that I added multiple times. It's just because when you cook something and you taste it and you feel like something is lacking, you just want to add it. So that's the reason why you see me maybe adding crayfish again, like a second time or maybe a third time. And why not even seasoning cubes and even oil? So the more you go, as you're almost done with your cooking, you're tasting to see if the flavor and everything that you expect is there. And if it's not there, why not add those ingredients? Double it if you want, no problem. All right, fam, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Drum roll for you. You're welcome to Nancy's Cuisine, where I teach you how to cook delicious recipes from scratch. Just grab a chair, relax, and enjoy. So far, my arrow is ready. We're gonna go ahead and just do our garri. You could use water fufu if you want, but I love eating arrow with garri. And this garri was from Cameroon. Look at how lovely the garri looks like. The color is everything. So alright, I'm just gonna show you how I quickly do my garri. So just go ahead and add your garri into some boiling water. You want to remove a little bit of the water just so that it shouldn't be too soft. This was just a perfect mixture, and then go ahead and just use your spatula or whatever you have to just turn that until it gets the best consistency. You could microwave your garri as well if you want it faster, but I prefer using the stove. Alright fam, thank you so much for watching till this moment of the video. I appreciate you. Please go ahead and subscribe if you've not subscribed. Go ahead and like this video, drop a comment below, and why not share to your family and friends. You don't want to be the only one getting these delicious recipes. Alright fam, until our next recipe, see you, bye.